Just to let you know, guys, there is a cash prize now. If anyone beats my numbers on that circuit that I did, it's a 25-minute circuit. There's $100 up for grabs. Post your video. If you beat my numbers on the rounds, then $100. I'm not sure if it'll go up if no one does, until someone does it. The money might go up, but yeah, just a bit of incentive, because there's no better motivation than a bit of hard cash. So yeah, okay. Hi everyone, hope you are well. Okay, this is a quick interim video. I've been away for a couple of weeks, so videos have been a bit thin on the ground. I am going to be doing a challenge from Derek at Osiris. I think Mr. Barefoot Burpees has the record for it at the moment, so a bit of good motivation. I can go to see how close I can get to matching that. I'm also going to be doing some follow-along videos, so instead of watching me just grind out a session, you can actually follow along to it. Doesn't matter what level of fitness you are, they're all time-based circuits and you can follow along to them. I've got a couple of particularly good ones that are, there's one that I've done for a while now. When I started it, it's only 20 minutes. When I started it, I think I put on about possibly as much as 3 pounds of muscle from doing this session, and it's based on metabolic stress. So in other words, you are working in oxygen debt for a fair proportion of the exercise. There's a fitness component in it, as well as the strength work, rather than just strength work, which if you do at a rapid rate becomes cardio, but doesn't have quite the same effect as if you actually inject an actual fitness aspect to it, so that you're a bit more in oxygen debt whilst you're doing the actual strength work. For example, yesterday I did a session that involved, I think the total was around about 300 push-ups, whereas in this 20-minute circuit, I would do a lot less than that, yet be stiff the next day. So the gains that you get from working in that way are far better than just doing quantity. It's a fascinating sort of subject, that whole metabolic stress and working under that sort of methodology. But yeah, so that's a good one to look out for. I've got a couple that are a little bit like that. And yeah, so it's just a quick update video, and that's about it. I could give you a quick rendition of, because Christmas is coming up, but I will save you from that. Okay, see you in the next video.